Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Dave, and we're the IB English guys. We're here to announce the individual oral bootcamp from Revision Village.
That's right, folks. This is a free resource. All you need to do is sign up and register on Revision Village, and you get access to this great free resource that'll guide you to individual oral assessment success.
That's right. When you enter the individual bootcamp, you'll see the 6 components of this great resource. First, you're going to see the nuts and bolts. Then you're going to see the writing the global issues statement, followed by prepping the extracts. The next section is prepping the work as a whole. Then we're going to talk about signposting and transitions. And finally, we're going to look at some sample individual orals.
That's right. Let's drill down a bit further into each section so you see what you get. In the nuts and bolts section, there's going to be video about the criteria. There'll be guidance on how to structure. There'll be flashcards, multiple choice questions, everything you need to know to be successful on the assessment.
That's right. The next section is about the all-important global issue statement. This is also going to have multiple choice questions and flashcards, but most importantly, it's going to help you narrow down that global issue statement that's going to guide your whole individual oral.
Moving forward, we'll go into a section about how to prep your extracts. We know we have to dig into that literary or non-literary extract, so this section will help you do that. Once again, graphic organizers, flashcards, MCQs, all you need to be successful.
Fantastic. Then we're going to talk about the all-important work as a whole. We're going to talk about how to maintain that balance that you need to have and look at building hotspots and moments.
Yeah. There'll be a section on signposting and transitions. It's super important that you're able to guide your teacher and your examiner fluidly through the assessment. We have tons of guidance on how to do that with lots of samples.
And lastly, we're going to look at 2 sample individual orals with complete transcripts and information about them and talk about why they make excellent individual orals.
Yeah, so folks, in the end, we're super excited about this new resource on Revision Village. Once again, it's free. Make sure you check it out and you can be successful on the individual oral assessment for IB English.
Thanks, guys.